Hello, my name is Matt. I'm an artist and an illustrator. My work can be found in many private collections and publications. But what I'm most passionate about is teaching. I absolutely live for sharing my love for creating art with others. I created the virtualinstructor.com as a place to hold videos for students that missed my classes. But soon I realized it grew into something bigger. I found that I was able to help more than just my students with the videos that I made. I quickly realized that people all over the globe were benefiting from my lessons. I even had a teacher from Germany email me and tell me that even though her students in her class knew no English, they were still learning from my videos. What an awesome feeling that is. I learned that many visitors to the site wanted to learn more from me. Some even asked for one-on-one lessons from me. Others told me that they had learned more from my videos than they had in expensive live classes that they had paid for. Hearing these words encouraged me to expand the virtualinstructor.com and offer more to my visitors. I wanted to create a community of learners. I wanted to offer special courses and virtual classes where students could interact with me, just like in a real class. I wanted to connect with my students and enjoy the journey of growth with them. I also wanted to make it accessible to everyone by making it affordable. That's why I decided to create the virtualinstructor.com members. The membership section has now grown to over 260 art instruction videos. That's over 3,900 minutes of instruction and includes 228 pages of full-color ebooks and now the ultimate in lesson planning. Membership also includes the Secrets to Drawing video course. The Secrets to Drawing is the most comprehensive and in-depth drawing instruction course available. It includes over 5 hours of high-definition video on the core concepts of drawing. The course is broken down into easy-to-follow, easy-to-understand modules, which include a video and an ebook. Each module covers a technique or a concept, including graphite, pen and ink, oil pastel, soft pastel, charcoal, and more. Portrait drawing and figure drawing are also covered, as well as creating the illusion of space in your drawings and using the elements and principles the way they are meant to be used to create representational drawings. This course is designed with the learner in mind so that each module builds upon the last. Now understand that everyone learns from watching videos, so I've included ebooks with the course as well. Each ebook correlates with the video and includes full-color imagery as well as commentary. The ebooks combine for a total of 176 pages. Being a member also means you gain access to the Pastel Landscape Mastery video series, which is in production now. At the time of making this video, there are 6 modules available with a total of 15 modules planned. Each module focuses on a different aspect of landscape drawing, all with the specific media of soft pastel in mind. And each video also includes step-by-step ebooks. Being a member also means you gain access to weekly 1-hour live lessons. Each week I stream a 1-hour live lesson directly from my studio to your house. You can interact live with me via a chat box on the live stream page. Members can ask questions, they can interact with other members as well. It's as close to having a real live class as possible over the internet. Can't make it to a live lesson? No problem. All of the past lessons are recorded. Currently, there are over 60 hours of recorded live lessons that you can go back and watch. Each one of the live lessons is presented in real time, so you can stop it and rewind, plus you can download it. Which brings me to the next feature of membership. Every single video is available for download. This includes all of the videos available on the free part of the site as well. Currently, there are over 200 videos available for you to download. Members also gain access to the Ultimate Lesson Plan. The Ultimate Lesson Plan is the ultimate classroom solution for visual arts teachers. Each lesson plan includes vocabulary, introductory videos, key points or essential questions, a PowerPoint presentation, also available as a keynote presentation, supplementary videos, project examples, art history references, as well as handouts that can be downloaded by students or printed out by the teacher and distributed in class. It also includes a quiz and an assessment form for each one of the units. These lessons are designed to emphasize the fundamentals of art by providing students with a rich multimedia experience followed by an art production activity that reinforces concepts. Each lesson builds upon the last and follows a logical progression. Presenting lessons in this way allows students to make connections on concepts learned in prior lessons and provide students with a complete understanding of art production and appreciation. So why not join our community of over 1,000 members and start learning for just $37 a year? That's just a little over $3 a month. And with more planned for the membership site in the future, I won't be able to offer it at this price for very much longer. You can try the site out for 30 days with no risk at all. I'm offering a 30-day money-back guarantee. In fact, I'm so confident that you'll enjoy membership that if you're not completely satisfied, just email me and I'll return your money, no questions asked. So how do you become a member? Well, becoming a member is easy. Just click on the subscribe button to become a member today.